In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HoneyBook platform to create and manage a new project. Whether you're just starting with HoneyBook or looking to refine your process, this guide will help you streamline your workflow efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the HoneyBook homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL www.honeybook.com. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. The home page is your central hub for all activities and provides a comprehensive overview of your ongoing projects. Next, look for the Projects button, which can typically be found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Projects will direct you to the project management area where all your existing projects are listed. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing and tracking project details. Now it's time to create a new project. Locate and click on the Create New button. This button is your gateway to setting up a new project. Once clicked, a new window or form will appear, prompting you to enter the details of the new project. One of the first things you'll need to do is type in a name for your project. It's important to choose a name that is descriptive and easy to identify, especially if you're managing multiple projects at once. After naming your project, you'll see an option to categorize it under different types of services such as advertising. Click on advertising or the category that best fits your project. Selecting a category helps organize your projects and tailor the management workflow to suit your needs. Once you've selected the appropriate category, proceed by clicking on the Select button. This will confirm your category choice and move you to the next step in the project setup. Following this, you might want to consider the origin of the project by selecting client referral if the project originated from a client recommendation. This can be a useful metric for tracking where your business is coming from. Next, click on the Discovery stage. This phase usually involves gathering more detailed information about the project requirements and client expectations. It's an essential step to ensure that both you and the client are aligned on the project deliverables. For scheduling, you might need to adjust the time zone settings by selecting PDT PST. Choose the one that aligns with your scheduling needs, ensuring all appointments are synchronized correctly. To schedule a start date, click on Date and select the appropriate date from the calendar. For instance, the 30th. Confirm your choice by clicking on Select Time and then choosing a specific time, such as 10:00 a.m. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on Create Project to save and establish the new project in HoneyBook. Congratulations, you've just set up a new project, and you're now ready to manage it through HoneyBook's robust features. With this setup, you'll have a smooth and efficient process for managing client projects and ensuring everything goes according to plan. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.